Hey. Take a mask.
Where's your O-ball?
Hey.
Got your crinkle paper at your feet. O-ball in your mouth.
O-ball time.
Hey. Jackson's 11 weeks old. It's really easy for you to grab, huh? It's really easy. O-ball. It's like Rhino or something. They have them at Target, I think.
Oh, they do?
Do you love your O-ball? Who got you that, Miss Lydia? Miss Lydia knew that would be a good ball for you.